Hey there, savvy investors and realtors. Are you ready to expand your real estate portfolio without the hassle of income documentation? Let me introduce you to the game-changing DSCR loan. DSCR, or Debt Service Coverage Ratio loans, focus on the property's income potential rather than your personal income. This means no pay stubs, no W-2s, and no tax returns needed. Host. Imagine financing multiple properties with ease, all while keeping your personal finances separate. DSCR loans offer flexibility, streamlined documentation, and the freedom to grow your investment portfolio. If you're excited to learn more about how DSCR loans can work for you, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more insider tips. And don't forget to check the description below for a contact form to reach out directly. Let's make your investment dreams a reality.